Hello everyone. Here is one of the recent inquiries from the synergiologist. A question popped up. If a coupler has a synergetics volume of 1, a regular octahedron has a volume of 4, what is the relationship between these two octahedrons? So this is a coupler and it has a relative volume in synergetics to 1 because it has the same volume like this regular tetrahedron. There is 24 modules here and 24 modules here. And this is a two-frequency octahedron. This is the question, what is the relations? And in synergetics it says that this octahedron is 4 times larger than this coupler. No, well, they're comparing wrong magnitudes. So all the above is incorrect. A coupler is actually exactly twice the volume of the regular octahedron. This is the coupler, and here we have the octahedron inside. I'm not going to take the whole thing apart, but that's where the octahedron is. And a coupler is then exactly twice the volume of this inner octahedron. So if the coupler is 1 frequency, and an octahedron in question, which is this one, is labeled 1 frequency, it must be wrong. By placing these Z modules, I call them Z modules, these are synergetics, this is my solid kite, and synergetics can build the solid kite. Now it equals 12 modules. So if we place this to the same octahedron in question, then we see again the same relation, of course, like we have in here. So by placing these Z modules, these solid kites, will not change the frequency status of this inner octahedron. But the surface coupler, this one, must be 2 frequency because this one is 1 frequency. And this one has twice the edge length and twice the base. So this one must be 2 frequency. That's not comparable to a synergetics octahedron if this is labeled 1 frequency. Now if they are both 2 frequency, like this is 2 frequency coupler and this is a 2 frequency octahedron, then the mutual ratio is 2 to 1. This coupler is twice the size of the regular octahedron, and not octahedron is 4 times the size of this coupler. But synergetics indicates this 4 to 1 because the wrong labeling of relatively sized polyhedra. Now the most interesting aspect of the synergetics is that finally, in the dawn of the 21st century, they're realizing that they can build my modules. Now the problem is that all their claims have to be rephrased, rephilosophized. So the problem now is that the relative ratio is not 4 to 1 as originally indicated by synergetics, but 2 to 1. The coupler is twice the size of the octahedron as we see even in synergetics, well, at least sometimes. I am very proud that I can show to all involved in synergetics, from computer artists, programmers, to geometry modelers, and to all who had missed these relations for decades. So finally you all can explore and learn from the Z modules. There is a beautiful and frequently used quote in synergetics. Science is the attempt to set in order the facts of expedience, by Sir James Jeans. Please, dear friends, just tune in. Some very important and even more stunning facts will be released soon. Let's see how synergetics will stack up. Thank you all.